sa shisen pat khuble ye phi baro mat phidang ye pe ya ka khubor jong u Mawphor habagin ya chaprang bat ka khubor hakani ka por tugin ye pe ki mat ke bakongsan jong ka khubor kumne la ban trelang ka Congress UDP bat NPP baro ka bala ban long hakasain perthai ha u arajar ar phulai seiso ka jing ye kendu UCM ya ki he ka tanat ka kampo yeng kari halo ka jingkwa krani suk ka HNLC kilong keme nado dang sedang pun ya ikhenlong kidon kam kabam batei bajuai na Anganwadi Center nakadaw ka jingsawa bat ka jingpen jabo ya kawa let juri bu MLA rangkat bat kiwei ya ki karkhana haberni hat omdan odd ni even numbers ya ki kali balik bu bat shaw school changka ID labyang penbena ke DC tenra ka Maruti ya ka weipan mensaw ka nongnya khangkedong ki pulit ka bernihan ya ka kali kitiar penbethai bawan na is jingjia
panong ga sarkar la da Maharashtra ki from government as a coalition partner Rajasthan ki doni government hakiwi ki state ki doni government kam don problem hang ni ro te hang ni ro kala shai ba la ba itlang Congress NPP but UDP tangba minus BJP te who knows how next government la ba ni from tangba naglang Congress kanong shai ba shwa bagi trebat no nong yap don katu kan ni agenda ke shai la kalong ka jide bat ka state revenue kiwi ki issue in hab ni shai tendeng i bam don problem ban form ka sarkar meruban tip next kawi ke parti kawan kandidat kawi ke parti kandidat lesya hata problem don gam bandalik manghiru kilawan kuat na yi tanah ka depend ha ka situation ka depend ha ka kom job ha ka election ajar pulai la Dr. Khonglam bapi mo balaklan no he had been as the chief minister as the independent assembly then why not for the Congress to be in the government na yi kam don problem ka shulong tanga jinsngau jong gibriu ke banong ba ngimna ban yang halagi jong gijat namar bangim don ka BJP government kata te habam nang kamai te habchu bada pim nang kamai te ka bhai te pin habchu le yang breu hiki te la pinang kamai te kar kastir ki jungi ka ba ka baris pa le se haki resources ki jungi ka thai ngim don problem but ka share ka jungi state ngimna like ministry ba per kin haban page inom la ban jong ban dua welu dia ka rai ka jungi ka state we are the part of India we are the state within the our great country India. So we have to enjoy the right of so many schemes. Matanga kaslong kan ni ngastik bagi parti nomor ba hadu mentahi ko mangalong ba kini ki parti kim ai ka jing sensyar ka ba baro ko ki supna dari semua wan ka state ka jugi.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA and it was regarding the communication that we have received from HNLC where they have expressed their desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state, and they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments. And detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.
UMLA ka soyong ba samil malngyang haksimbar ula pli ba ya ka ICDS Anganwadi Center ha umsir lom thangplang kabla penyai da ka VC rengkat ka GSC Arsodar joka kerang lomperdoi lomdoyong bad umsir lom thangplang hakini ka singi UMLA ula samru iko persawa namta ka jimuntoy jok ba ketika than
dokani ka yeng kerlong ka ba yarap habaro kylleng ba kerlong ro ka jiga khu yakini ki altli ki shnong hakani ka shnong Teman-teman lagi opan, ini nak. Habjaba. Kalau semua. Belum ada baik.
Kemudian sebuah MLA baru beram jengi, wala kapor pedang kejubun kamu, nilai kini ban pelino, menina kani kabena liur, kanti kensan umpai berkat ya, so tenat pelat banyak peli kani kayen, saya bol kamu tarik, maklah apa sih kat tarik iman, tumban kawan no kani election seteng semua, saya sangat no, te wala kata bade nilai yo bade penbaik biang. Banyak kendo menini gini kesini, apa yang kejeng kaki iru kapor, ila kroy ban penbek, tu je pelong no kasan tarik, la kata isni yu rum, tu mau cu tang ba, yo ban penbek begini kekam, sebetong lalong keburam, jengi kam kumsil tang belang, te misno ban ong blay kam start, yo nung mikmat uba, kroy beliat lelang berpaiba, bapki gilong kumi, kam la kumsil tang belang. Kini kekam punya sumar suker, nak kapor, kenang bagian internet, ngapek tang withdraw, kini kalain withdrawing, withdraw, cungkun kalau uyun, tidak punya sumar bahaya, kenang bagian internet.
Thank you, Ruben. I have kapor kalau ke sekolah sana. 1, 2, 3. Ngipriang sewaya pi baro, kane kasih bangi. Layo Kaskul ICDS Ban Pli Bangi layo mentar kasih Kaskul Shana Okat no kajing snew Muja Kena tarit bawan Hangme Shana bacing pule Officer basyam syuki Kublai bapiarap yangi Mangi layo kane mentah Kumba angut nadu mensyua Kaskul Shana Okat no kajing snow muja Kena barit bawan hangme Kiyo Shana bacing pule Lengbahagan wadi sentar Kiyo jing bamba ai sorka Ki bante ya kamet kapat Kiyo jing klan bacing kiakran Kaskul Shana Okat no kajing snow muja Kena barit bawan hangmen Kiyo Shana bacing kule Sebelah syibun
Dening konge komu MLA ngawan hakani ka sinong bangan yo ya kani ka sin ka ba ningkong hajing sang ilay penbet yang tu kapor kumlaong dai sorda lumperdoi kadonno kani ka election kinam sya ban pli program bro wai ki skasil namar bakadei ka election nama ka trekam ka model code of conduct te kumta ngawan hangne kani ka sni ka mamanta ka bangiyo ban pendan kam no kani ka ICDS mdei tang kani ka yeng ban sam shana ane shat shana ane shat jingbao kani ka yeng kani ro ka jinghi kai yaki khanarit kumno kinang ban pule kini ki jingdro ki sentiu kini ki shri ki SDN PM kini ki long kumno ban pedi thu kani ki khana khulung ki wan hang nem dei tang banyo ba ki yo i sentiu ki tenan ki i ki mrat ki tenan ki i saki so atra japo la rolang ki so ye ru ki mrat lai pujai te hang tu ki pedi thu ki kerteng namar ki pedi thu hang tu ba kinong dalam pam sana chon pam sina ki kai u e u ne kyong u sing we ne umar siang we ne kamasi leng ba kita gamot kisai kai kin yau a b k d kumta tartar ban itu bakane kadai ka slam ban saindur na kamta kini ki hap ki barat jangi bedang long kita bedang sara kidang ren ban ajingi kai rengkat ke jingtip ke jingnang rengkat ke bam ke bataiman te kane ka SDS ka aru ke jinsakri habaya dei bakiri kilong kmi ki jongi kham tam lele giri ki badang kha dang pun kidon kam ha ban yo yang jing bam bataiman te kane ka rong program kumno bangi ke sarkar ni tmu ban warra ya kata ka kot ka kya bon sin kilong kmi jongi hakapor baki armet bat hakapor baki khai khulung kamdai ka kam ka basuk kalong ka saw ka sin na kamta ban khai ki khon te kumta khnang ban sumar ya ki kmi ki jongi de ban sumar nadu dang sedang masentip pala armen lengba ka ni ka SDS kin hikai ya phi kumno ban pendap ya kin injection bat kumno ru ban sumar yalde bat kumno ru ban bam ki jing bam bataiman kin sa ai lengba ka ni sentar kai te hanrai ngi hari gisngi kilong kpa ka jongi bon sien kim sautu habe kran bakade ka phang kalong ka phang ka badon kamtam namar ka ying jongi ka khlan ka ying jongi kan kiyo
Hadien ke jing ujor na ki pai ba nadu kinong ilam shnong bat kumju ru ki school ki badon majan bat ki karkhana haberni han halor ke jing penthun na ke jing sawa ni ke noise pollution bat kumju ru ke jing penjabo ya kawa berni han bat ke jing pen mi tedem jabo ka bajur u MLA ke Jirang constituency uba swasthana sotun bat uba Victor Rani MDC harangkat ki board district lembat kinong mi khmat na ka pollution control board menta kisngi ki lahir banjurip sendon yiki katok ni teli ki karkhana ha ka than borni hat na ka banta ban pe ya ka tei ke jing e jong ki pat ba ha ka tei ke jing le jurip la sakhilang da kinong elam shnong ki belapan pau ka jing sau khia hadin ba ki pat ba ki la ut na ka por shakapor halor ka jing thon ka belami na ki tei ki karkhana ha ka tei ke singi layo ban ya kren shai kidar bat ki tra jong ka karkhana bakim dei ban penthun ya ki pat ba tada ki dang kwa bakin dang beteng ya ka jing trei kam ka jing sawa ka jing penmi tedem bat ka jing pentu jabo shakawa la keno balapan mi daki artli ki karkhana bakan thup ya ka CMJ breweries bat ka karkhana pawan ispan ka bapan mi nar ha ka tei ka jing le jurip ya ki tei ki karkhana nakaliang UMLA ha ka jing sanran lang ki officer ki lalam dala ki jong ki kamat ya ki jing shisha ki tei ki karkhana kumbala ut daki pat ba
jungwan ka jungi nakaliang jonga kum MLA bati MDC dekat ke jing don lang EADC ba harbitu nang ta senior environmental engineer ba akrang nang ta ngi don lang naki noyelam naki senjuk kirang wasnong di ba Ken Rowell nang ba Johnny Sien nang ta ngi don kui kirang ba kinoyelam snong nang ta ki rang ba snong na ke snong nang ta idon lang ki nakaliang ki try jong ki factory ki ba mangi ngila yo e ka complain ka ba nakaliang ki ba nakaliang snong kila ai complain ha bidai bat ka jingjia clear ha bidai bat ka tedem ha ka jingjia clear ha ka dik ha bat ha ka dik jing penja clear ya ka mariang nang ta bat ha ka bai dei bat ka dika jingmi jong ka jing sawa ka sound ka ba jur ba hadu ba kala pentut penwit ya ki om tangi ki kena school hendai ya ki ya baro ki panyong song snong ki badon ha kani ka than badain ta ka dau na kaliang jongi ngilai wan ban dalade ban yo ban pej ban khmi ban yo ban bu ru ya ka jingkarpat ya ki try jong kini ki factory ka pawan ispat nenta kumju ya ka CMJ nang ta kumju ru ya ki factory ki badon in around bernihat kini ki factory baro aba ki run ya kini ka factory ka jeki bakin ya kat kum ki kendon jong ka pollution board bat ba khnam ba kan light na kino ki jing penwet bat kumju ru ba ki pat nong snong ki badon ha kini ka than kin yo ya ka jingeda ka bakar pang kam tam ka kot ka khia mo ka badon kam na kumta ki pai ba baro ki bu ya ka jingkot jingkia mat tam tengi don kam ba ki baro ki tra jeng ni factory ni nakalian jong aku mu MLA kunju ngi don lang MDC ki baro na ka team na ka administration nang ta ki nakalian ke pollution board ki lagi polis ki don lang ki sinjuk grang ba snong ibu lang ke jingkerpat sebaro ki nong penyai ya sebaro ki try jeng ni ki industries ki factories ki badon hagi bonihat ire hi baro ba kini lek kat bala ban penduna lane ban penduk no sistem dan ya kini ki ba penwet ya ka mariang lane ki ka snong le hau badon kini ki area ki jong
Jika ega jubab ban ega proses ke begini ki
hadian pangila yo banyak keren bati ba Mr. Rohit try jeng kini ka CMJ factory nang ta ngilayo ke banyak keren bati batu local director jong ka ponispat tengila yo ketika jingkular bat ngilayo ru ka jingya ka inspection ka bang ngilet dai kmi hidalade bangilai ba kadon ka complain ka bidai ba ka jingmi jong ka tedem bat nagilang joki kila batai baya kene ka tedem ha ka por bagi charge ningkong de ka tedem kami ya ka penmi ya ka tedem ka ba jur ka ba i ka ba ka ijakliam ha do kata kata bat nagilang jonga kumu MLA bat kumju bat ka team ting labu ya ka jikapat nagilang i ADC nagilang pollution i senior environmental engineer iba karkang laibu ujung karpat ya iba kinhap ban reduce kinhap ban pinduna ya kene ka jingmi jo kene ka tedam bat nakelang jonga labu ke karpat ya ka pollution board bakin habu ya ka biang sasisin ya ka inspection tang sasisin naka por nakelang joki bakin habdon haki niki area jong kini ki factories kenang ba kinlap ya ka ba don ya ke ba bakin laban lap ya ke ba bu ya ke jingma ya ki pai ba ke badan ha ke thai
di sim ban kong iwan ban yu kejat hang ni boros petang ila suyo slow tang ya ke jing komplain na ki nong song snong ba ka don kane ke jing sawa ka ba serkai ba hadu bam long chu ban ya kren ban ya khana hai na semro kala ta hai ki snong ki thai nang ta ka ba ar kolong ba yede ba kane ke jing tu jobo to wa lalong ka ba i serkai hadu kata ado ba tung kinong song snong buat ban ya sum ban ya sajang sawa ro ni long su maka itu jobo seni sapo wa kalong kai kai ba susi nagliang jungi kumti long ilam snong ina tadaw ni songkhia ban ni singkhia ro akan gesni ban ya wan ban ya kmi lang ni gini ki jing ki babun ak bayde ba kini ki factory adon ro kani ka jing peni ni ki tidam kini kita dalam tangki hair sejurang daki hajar feet sejurang bat kili hapat segi baranda jo kiying breu tang kiying kisam ni kibreu kila jong teng kamdon su kajing koi kajing klia lakta aru ya ka kwat ka khia jong kinong sunong hamtam ki khna school ki badan persya kane ka CMJ nang nili hamtam kalong persya waktu ka school Don Bosco hangkai kano ki khna school ki ot inam kalong kajing isnei hi ki ki khon ki para kijungi hi ki nong kusnang jigi ba pule hangko ina tadaw long habakong gane ka por nakliang jong ki try bagi ba pek bakmi ya kane hi ka CMG hangme kila kular banle kat bala ban penduna re nakliang jungi ka sinjok ilete hi kwa hi totally stop de ban pensange hi mardot ye kini kijing sawa kini kijing pentuit jobo sawa bat kane kijing pen mi ini ki tedam jobo namarngi nakliang jungi yum kwa su bagandang don su ka jing ot kijing nam nang ne smat ni kwa hi ba kakam jung ki kakan yai bet tangba ya ka snong ka thau mdei ban punthot ya ka imlang salang mdei ban punthot nakliang jungi ka sinjok tang tai
then I'm very happy that they came today to see a first hand inspection of the plant because while rumors have been spread against us for no rhyme or reason if you see the incidents of last 2 to 3 weeks it is very clear that one particular industry was being targeted and there are so many industries in Banihar which are emitting smoke. Now to put the record straight, right now, while they inspected the factory, the plant is running full capacity. There is no smoke from the chimney, there is no noise, except for the noise which is in the equipment which the factory is running. They could not find anything else which is otherwise, which is there almost every day, except when the plant stops because of the power failure. So when the power failure is there, the plant restarts. That for 2 hours, 3 hours, that noise, which disturbs everybody, is happening because it's a steam coming out at high pressure. That noise is disturbing to that 2 to 3 hours with the smoke coming out because the chimney has been refired. So for that 2 to 3 hours, that noise and that smoke is there. Thereafter, the entire plant destabilizes. There is no smoke, there is no noise at all, as you see right now in the plant. So my request to all is that let us support such industry, which is the only one in India, in Meghalaya, who has an employment of 500 local people. And when I say 500 local people, I mean genuine 500 local people in the factory. No one else in Meghalaya has this kind of manpower. We are the only ones who give 200 crores per year as revenue to the state government. No one else is giving that.
So what is the process like you can control that smoke?
See, we already have the best of pollution equipment in the plant as per the pollution board. So that is why there is no smoke now. There is no smoke now. It is invariably, as Mr. Khakrang was also explaining, that when you restart the plant, that initial 2 hours, 3 hours is bound to happen, that smoke. No one can stop that. So that
how you can control it?
So we will try to reduce that. We have spoken to our MLA, we have assured him that we will try to reduce the noise to the best possible extent under the laws. We will do that. Besides that, there are agencies by the government of Meghalaya who are monitoring our noise levels every month. They submit a report every month to the pollution board, which highlights the smoke and the noise levels, which are in line with the framework of the laws.
So what since there are
request everybody that let us try to control this smoke which is emitting from all the factories to the best possible extent, and see to it that our nearby areas are not affected by it.
Kajing pentre kam ya ka odd but even numbers ya ki kali shimet ban ya East Khas Hills kalabo jing hadu kata ya ki kimi ki pa ban let bo ni Shaw School ya la ki khon. Kumta na kalyang jong Deputy Commissioner jong East Khas Hills District ikong Isawanda lalu hadian bala yo ya ka jing odd jing nam na ki babon ila penbena bala sya ki kali private bakin let bo ne ban let Shaw School ki khon jong ki tang ba ki de ban pen ipat ya ki ID ban pen shisha ya kata. Mentaka setiap bahaka por kumba kendai sau pesan minit kawai ke kali Maruti 800 kabadun yo registration number ML not Henry San Henry nyau R kabalanya daw andi walang kat prasnem kerta na kesnong opo new nongstoin kabatmu banle syakelang habalapoi hakse ko long kalalik tenra kensan ya kawai pat ka Maruti 800 kabalami na mairang banle don kam syanongstoin kabadun yo registration number ML not San H San kenda iwei sau kabalanya ada kakong M Marbanyang. Hakani ki jingjia katay kakong Marbanyang kalaman saw na kibenta kakli bachitom hakamet kapat tangba kampat da jortan. Kawai pat kakali kabadun yaw registration number ML not Henry San Henyaw iway not kabalami na marngor bat kabalanya da uba dasming lan tempuing bat kababut na din jong katay kakali kabalami na mayrang kalasya tenra lang. Hawape ya kajinglong jingman lalap bakadau jong kajing accident kadi namar kajing penhastet balat jong ute ukna bami ina nongstoin bat ulaya akalan ka bomdai banyai hado bala penbenaya kani ka khubor na kalyang jong ki pulit ka nongstoin kimpat la satya ban poi hakate ke jaka Katkum ke telong khubor batikna ki pulit jong ke riboy mentake sngi keleyo ban khang kedong ya kawai ke kali asam kabadon ya registration number AS01 LC iwe bat la kurup ya shibon ba kitiar pen betai la kamru ya arngut ki besong ha kane ke kali pakantup ya unongnya harangka itei kitiar pen betai ki balatmu ban lejbu shakawai ke jaka ya ke kerteng jong kini ki arngut labori iswa khanang man omthut ka jingto akin Kitiar pen betai bala yo kurum ki kentup ya arsong ki aluminium electronic detonators badon arpesanteli hakawai kawai kasong bat ru khat asenduk ki new gel ne ki kai Superintendent of Police ka riboy u Giri Prasad uletho ba kane ka kali kadai ka bawan na East Jante Hills banle Sharani Bazar ha Guwahati Henry katei ka jingtmu jongki ban penha ya kitiar kala pulom no hadin bakila cha kangkdong no habernihan kakas taki pulit jong ka bernihat outpost la register case katkom badai bat ka jingto kit ha ka bedai bat kane kadang ya ban yo kem ye gitu ki brew ki bedon kiti ha kane ka company ya bian ya ki tiar pen betai klem keno ki kot ki sla ki babyang ban pen I ba ki la yo bor na ka an ong uprasat
I mean around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock, so we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Birmingham has set up a NACA around 2 o'clock. And we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle, number A01LC 1112, was intercepted by the Birmingham outpost NACA. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were 2 occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the 2 occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1,200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also 2 mobile phones seized from the accused. And the accused have been arrested, and Mawphor PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal pilferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district. And any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing.
Investigation, is there any?
There's no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally, for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized.
From which locations did this vehicle come?
This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from East Jingjia Hills, Ladrambai. And supposedly the vehicle was proceeding towards Rani Bazar of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.
Tikumtung ila poisya ka bekut jong ka tup khubor, sa chisen pan, kublai shibon ye pi baro tan hadu bangile shembiang, kublai shibon.